A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to all of you to today's class. Before starting the class, let's do Brahmanath. Om Santi Santi Santi. So dear student, in today's class we are going to read models. That is your section 5. Okay. So in section 5 we have to read expressing ability to do something. It means it is reflecting on ability. Okay. Present ability or past ability. Present ability is referred by can. Past ability is being used by could. But apart from this, there is also another word, that is be able to, is also used when the situation is quite formal. Understood it? So let's see. But remember one thing, can is more usual. In most of the cases you can use can, but in some cases you must have seen that one model is already present. So two models can't exist side by side. In that case, may be able to, might be able to, will be able to, we have to write down like this. Okay. So see, can. Your topic is models. Section 5 we are going to read. Expressing ability to do something. Can is informal. Someone has the ability to do something. Then be able to is formal, but can is more usual in all these cases. Okay. Now let's see. So in activity number 12 we have to use can or be able to. Ask Karim about your friend's condition. He might. Can is not used. We can't use can because already might is there. So in this case he might be able to tell you something. Rabi was born and educated in Hyderabad. He can speak Telugu. I can't lend you money, but I does get the book for you. I can. But I can get the book for you. Meera does read Tamil, but she doesn't have any Tamil book. So Meera can. Meet your teacher tomorrow. He does explain the question to you. Here you can write down can, but he will be able to is also correct because that one is formal. As it is mentioned can or able to, you can write down can, but he will be able to is also not wrong because will. Here can is normally used in informal situation, and as teacher is there, if we are trying to make it formal, we have to use he will be able to explain the question to you. Okay, understood? This is your activity number 12. Now let's go to activity number 13. So your next one is activity number 12. So what is mentioned here? Name or list 5 things which you can do and list 5 things which you can't do. So this one is very easy. Okay, simply you can write down anything of your desire. You can write down I can swim in the river. Okay, and you also can write down I can write in Telugu. Then you also can write down I can type 40 words per minute. Okay. Then you also can write down I can sing classical songs. I can do mono action. Okay, so likewise you can do. This is very easy. Only you can do, you can't do. And this in this side you can write down I can't swim in the river. I can't write in Telugu. I can't type 40 words per minute. I can't sing classical songs. I can't do mono action. Okay, so here also you can write down I can't drive a car. Okay, I can't sing very nicely. Okay, I can't make paper boats. I can't fly like a bird. I can't dance. Okay, so likewise you have to write down. This is very simple. Only 5 things you have to write down that you can do, and 5 things you have to write down you can't do. Okay, I have taken some simple sentences. You also can write down complex or compound sentence, no problem. But here to make you understand, it's easy that list 5 things you can do. Can is positive. This is the counterpart of positive, that is negative. Okay, you can do, list 5 things you can't do. Okay, understood this activity? Then let's go to activity number 14. So with this, your activity number 13 is over. So now look at your next activity. This is your activity number 14. Okay, so here what is mentioned, a new student joined your class. As the secretary of the college union, you would like to know which activities your new classmates would be able to take part. Frame 5 questions. Okay, so I have written 5 questions to save time. So here's listen. A new classmate is there and you are the secretary of the students union, and you have to ask some questions to the newcomer to know his or her talent. So here the student will answer either he can or he can't. Okay, so first question, can you draw and paint? The student can answer yes, I can, or no, I can't. Okay, over. Next one, can you sing a song? He can answer yes, I can, or no, I can't. Okay, either this one or that one can be the answer. Can you drive a scooty? Same answer, there is no change at all. Okay, yes, no, I can't, yes, I can. So here, can you dance like Govinda? No, I can't. Yes, I can. Can you do mono action? Yes, I can. Or no, I can't. Okay, so here this is the thing which is present in activity number 14. It is a new student, the student has joined, and I have formed 5 questions, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And here questions are, can you draw and paint? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can you sing a song? Yes, I can, or no, I can't. Can you drive a scooty? No, I can't, or yes, I can. Can you dance like Govinda? No, I can't, or yes, I can. Can you do mono action? Yes, I can. No, I can't. So here I have discussed 5 questions. Rest of the thing you have to write down in your copy. Okay. So this is your activity number 14. Now let's go to activity number 15. Okay student, now listen. In your section B, there is also another thing, that is could and was or were able to. And this was or were, it will change according to the subject. If it is singular, singular verb, plural, plural one. Okay, was or were. And now listen one thing, here it is mentioned could or was able to. What is the basic difference? As I told you, it is referring to past, and could is used to refer past action. Okay, past ability. Understood? So it is mentioned general ability and the ability to do something in a particular situation. What do you mean by general ability and the ability to do something in a particular situation? Look, general ability means in my childhood days I could speak Tamil. Okay, in my childhood days I does speak Tamil, I could. This is general ability. Okay, another thing, and here it is mentioned that ability to do something in a particular situation. Okay, and when the opportunity was available in a particular situation, in that case also you could write down could or was able to, ability, opportunity to perform in a particular situation. On the annual day, I dash to sing a song. On the annual day, I was able to sing a song. Why? Because a particular situation is mentioned. Understood? Always remember, when situation past ability is mentioned, particular situation is there, write down was or were able to. If particular situation is not there, simply write down could. Okay, this is the easiest way to remember it. So now we will discuss some of the activities of this portion. So now students, see activity number 15, and the instruction is we use could or was or were able to the sentences below. Use negative if necessary. Okay, so here we have to use either could, was able to or were able to. But we also can form the negative one if it is essential. So now let's see. The author of this book learned to write very early in life. He dash write short stories when he was at school. Here situation is not mentioned, time period is there. So here the appropriate one is could write short stories when he was at school. See the second sentence. My scooter did not start. Luckily, I dashed to borrow a bicycle and got there in the time for interview. This is particular situation, the situation when the scooter didn't start. Okay, so luckily I was able to is there. Okay, I was able to borrow a bicycle and got there in the time for interview. It was dark. We dash a thing. Negative one, we could not. Okay. Next one, the children were warned that a fire had started and they dash move their belongings in time. So here this is a particular situation, the situation when fire had started. The children were warned that a fire had started and they were able to move their belongings in time. Understood it? So this is your activity number 15. Now let's do activity number 16. Now students, see, this is your activity number 16. What is written? Saurav is 40. Sometimes he feels that he has wasted his life. Read about Saurav and replace some of the words with could have. Okay, with this word we have to rewrite it. So what is the first sentence? See, when Saurav was 15, he had a chance to go abroad, but he decided not to go. So by using could have, we have to write it down. So what could be the appropriate answer? See the question. When Saurav was 15, he had a chance to go abroad, but he decided not to go. So we can write down when Saurav was 15, he could have gone abroad. Okay, the answer can be when Saurav was 15, he could have gone abroad. Okay, look at the second sentence. What is mentioned? Saurav got a scholarship to study in a reputed public school, but he didn't go. Same thing. Saurav could have studied in a reputed public school. Okay, write it down. Saurav could have studied in a reputed public school. Understood? Look at the third. Only you have to write down could have, nothing else is there. Okay, because it is referring to past ability in a particular situation. That's why could have is appropriate. So he was a good speaker, but he decided not to participate in debates. He could have participated in debates. He could have participated in debate. Okay, look at the next sentence. He had an opportunity to start a business, but he didn't want to. So here also you can write down he could have started a business. Okay, it's over. So what is mentioned? First one, when Saurav was 15, he had a chance to go abroad, but he decided not to go. When Saurav was 15, he could have gone abroad. Saurav got a scholarship to study in a reputed public school, but he didn't go. Saurav could have studied in a reputed public school. He was a good speaker, but he decided not to participate in debate. He could have participated in debate. He had an opportunity to start a business, but he didn't want to. He could have started his business. So with this, your activity number 16 is over. Now let's go to activity number 17. Now look at your activity number 17. What is mentioned? Use can, can't, could, couldn't, was or were able to in the blank spaces. Okay. So now see question number 1. She does even speak properly when she was a girl, but now she is a famous singer. So it is referring to past ability and negative is there. So here she could not, couldn't. Okay. She could not speak properly when she was a girl, but now she is a famous singer. Question number 2. Did you see anybody in the park? No, I does find anybody. Same thing, particular situation, couldn't. An eagle does fly for hours. Can. When my sister was just 7, she does speak Hindi much more fluently than she does now. Here it is referring to a particular time period. So it is when she was able to speak Hindi much more fluently than she can now. Okay, understood? With this, your section 5 is over. I have discussed 4-5 questions from each and every activity. Rest of the activity, including all these things, you have to write down in your copy. Okay, so for now, have a nice time and write down also. Okay, thank you.